better. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this Thursday and Sunday. We do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Mostly like unboxing and opening videos. I try out a lot of stuff too, just because I'm trying to find myself, if that kind of makes sense. And today is no exception. We have my Boxycharm box for the month of June 2021. I'm pretty surprised it came before the middle of June, and normally we get this towards the end of June, so kind of surprised. It's a little on like the heavier side, but the box is kind of smushed, so I'm a little worried, but then like at the same time it doesn't smell, so we're okay. Let me get my handy dandy little puffer cloud kind of knife. I love these. Oh, bestest thing ever. If you've never heard of Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription type thing. I'm pretty sure that's how they like categorize it, as beauty. I'll put everything down below, just like I try to do with most of the videos. That way you can get an idea of everything that it includes. I believe it's like $21 to $25 a month, depending on how often you do your subscription. Like if you do month to month or the yearly. I do the yearly, so I think it's like $21 a month. I'm not 100% on that. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and ask you to refer to down below, because editing me really knows what she's doing, and video me is just going with it. One thing I love, and I will probably always love about Boxycharm, is you have on the front here the logo Boxycharm. Simple, and it just, I don't know, I love it. I do. And then when we open it, should always cut away from yourself, but you know, whatever. When we open it, for the base box, which is the only box I got, tried the others, didn't really care for it. You can check out my other videos, but I prefer the base box. Always pink on the inside. And of course you have the Boxycharm logo, and it has @Boxycharm, #Boxycharm. And I'm pretty sure they're like on almost every social media platform. And this is the box, and sneak peek of what's to come. Inside the box that you receive, you'll receive one of these cute cards. Most of the time it is folded up beyond fixing, but this is kind of cool for June 2021. Doesn't really, oh, Dare to Dazzle. I couldn't even see it. It's very simple this month. Most of the time it has like flowers and candy and hearts and like everything all over this tiny little postcard, but this time it's just shapes, colors, Dare to Dazzle. We're straight to the point. That's pretty cool. And then of course on the back of this card, which I really like, super informative. Thank you, Boxycharm, for doing it right every time. Oopsie, if you want to just take note real quick. You have your card, really simple, one single card, two sides. First side, what it's all about. Second side, all the goodies and little explanations. That's it. That's all we need. Maybe some tea. That's all you need for the box. Easy peasy. Anyhoozle, we're gonna go through the box. It gives us a little rundown here on the back. Each item, little like synopsis, and then the price for it as well. And all the items inside the Boxycharm box are full size, which I like. Don't get me wrong, I like my Ipsy, but sometimes you just need some full size in your life. So cute. The first thing on the back of the card, and the first thing I noticed in the box, is an item from GLAMGLOW. It's a Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Retails for $32. And this is it. Oil fighting, mattifying, clarifying, triple charcoal complex. What the hell, triple charcoal? Like, is there more than one? I have questions now. Are you oil free? Because I know you say you absorb oils, but I've been having issues. That's cute. I open it. It says hello sexy. Hi box. I've been having issues with getting things that are oil free because of my lash extensions. I never realized how many cleansers and different products I put on my face that are packed full of oils that can really hurt my poor little extensions. Cute packaging, by the way. And it's sealed, so I can't really smell anything. But this is it. Pretty big stuff, too. I really like that. That should last a long time. And then again, $32. Okay, the next item on the list. Oh, it's from Maven Beauty. It's a Cosmic Drip Eyeshadow Palette for $23. And I think I picked this. What are these? Like just bits and pieces of paper to help cushion whatever. Okay. Yeet. I believe this was the item I picked because I'd never heard of this brand before. And this is the Basic Beat Eyeshadow Palette from Maven Beauty. Have you guys heard of this brand? Like, it sounds familiar, but I don't have anything from Maven Beauty. And I want to try new stuff. Oh, but damn. Look at this. I'm a sucker for packaging. We can all admit that I will be admitting I'm a sucker for packaging. But look at this. Sis, look at this. Ah, yes. Cosmic Drip. Okay. Even the back, like there's something about them desert shots. I know I live in the desert, but we don't see this desert here. I get like rocks, dirt, off-green trees. I don't get to see these. These are beautiful. See what I did there? See what I did there? Anyway, I know when I picked it, or I remember when I picked it, the colors didn't look too wowing, but and look at the inside of the packaging. Like, hello, are we going into a new universe? Yes. Yes. We're saying that. And by we, I mean me. And the inside packaging as well is magnificent. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the back. Look at the front. Sis. Oh my. Sir. We're just magnetic. That's all we is. No mirror. That's fine with me. But look at these. And they're all shimmer. So that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Damn. That is a nice blue. Do you shift? Shut the front. I just need a moment. Not only is it a shimmer, but it is color shifting. It goes from like purple to blue. I'm talking about homeboy over here. The other ones, you look pretty chill. I mean, this one kind of goes from like a copper. No, it's pretty stays copper. Same for the other ones. They just go from a little light to like a little darker. But, oh, Atlanta. You bet your butt I'm going to be trying these. Swapped. Yes, I can see the color shift from freaking space. Yep. Y'all, while we're here, we might as well. Sis. Wow. And it feels a little crunchy when you touch it. But when you put this on, it is so creamy. Like it went on like butter. What the heck? And it's, I like that. You can, no words is what's coming out here. Speechless, I think is what you guys call it. But that's nice. Take one of my watermelon wipes and just get it off my fingers. I'll probably have to take it off the back of my hand too. Just because I'm known to smear it all over my clothes, the floor, some furniture from time to time. So tons of shimmer in here. definitely like a ton of shimmer. Easy to come off too, like just one wipe of the makeup wipe and it was gone. But then I have like all this little shimmers all over my hand, which I honestly don't mind, because then it gives me like that glowy, dewy, fairy-y look. And I'm not mad at it. But I like this. This is a cute little quad. First of all, Maven. Cosmic Drip Maven. That was an item from Maven Beauty. The Cosmic Drip eyeshadow palette retails for $23. And those colors are beautiful. As you can see, I was pretty dang speechless. The next item we have in the box is from True Plus Luscious. True and Luscious. It's a FLOWERDOSE Lip and Eye Serum. Is that you? Yes. Yes? $34. Infused with hyaluronic acid, orchid flower, water, and passion fruit extracts. Plumping lip and eye serum. I don't know about you, but I don't want to plump my eyes. Not even a little bit. I like my eyes. And we're a little squished, but that's okay. It's an intensely hydrating plumping serum to revitalize and help repair the delicate skin around your lips and eyes. It's a luxurious multitasking formula infused with fragmented hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and a flower power blend of orchid stem cells, Damascene rose, plumeria, and passion fruit extracts. Yep, we're gonna stop right there because the words have escaped me. But yeah, that's what we have. It says massage a thin layer all over your lips and outer contours of your eye area. Maybe. Your packaging is pretty simple. I do like it. You have a pop of color on the side here, probably to really highlight what ingredients are in the box. You make a lot of noise when I talk. Can I open you? Yes. What is this? Are you serious? Are we serious? Does you all see this? Okay. Squishy tip. No idea how to use this. Do I turn it? It doesn't really pump. Ooh, am I supposed to take this apart? I should probably stop while I'm well ahead because I don't know what I'm doing first of all. So I'm going to go ahead and place said item back in the box. And we're going to have to do some research because I'm probably going to break it and I feel bad. That was the True and Luscious FLOWERDOSE Lip and Eye Serum, $34. The next item in our Boxycharm box is from Luna Magic Beauty. It is a VOOM Pink Lash Primer. Retails for $25. It's a new launch. Lash primer. What does the primer do? Oh, like before you put on your mascara? I see. Okay. 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 So you're pink? What do you do? So with things like this, Lava Pink, as simple as you look. Oh, that's cute packaging though. I love the matte along with your little gloss logo there. I think that's probably my favorite. Like you have the matte, especially matte black. It has my heart. And then you have like your little glossy logo on top there as well. Yes. And that's $25. Since there's not much on the packaging, this is where the card comes in handy because it tells you, you know, a little bit about it. Gives a little synopsis. With just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new and innovative emulsifier, which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting. $25. I don't know, since I got my extensions, I haven't had the need to wear mascara. They kind of do everything for me. Don't get me wrong though, as beautiful as these are, I miss my mascara. Now I realize, like, going day to day, it's been like a couple months now without putting on mascara. I realize that's one of the favorite things that I have when applying my makeup. It's mascara. Anywho, I miss you, baby. I'll get back to you. I will. The last item in the box, and it's actually two things. They are VITAMASQUES, Nourish Flower Nectar Biodegradable Mask and Juicy Berries Biodegradable Mask. Retails for $18. Masks, and it's these two right here. I'm not a huge fan of masks. I mean, maybe that needs to change because I am trying to improve my skin. This summer season that's coming upon us here in Arizona is hitting me harder than normal. And I'm just trying to find myself again. But yeah, these are cute. I like your waxy packaging, first of all. Very nice. VITAMASQUES Sustainable Glow. This is the Juicy Berries. And then Nourish Flower Nectar. Sheet Mask and Eco Pouch. Oh, they're both for my face. Cool. Cool. It's vegan, clean, adaptogenic, probiotic, and eco-friendly. Sustainable technology. Directions for use. Wash and cleanse your face in preparation of applying your mask. Remove from its packaging. Put it on your face. 20 minutes. Gently pat your face to let the remaining essence absorb into the skin. Oh, okay, that seems simple enough, right? I mean, is this great? No, but is it needed? Sorta. Like, I want to say no, but it's like one of those things where you know you're gonna need it or you should need it. So this is a Boxycharm box that I got for June 2021. Pretty good. Out of the 5 items, I'm gonna say 3 right off the bat. Maybe 4. My box is like falling apart. Maybe 4. Definitely gonna be doing the GLAMGLOW. Hey, and I just realized, like, there's a lot of skin stuff in here. Normally they don't do like a ton of skin stuff. It's like 1 skin stuff, a lot of makeup stuff. I'm gonna have to keep track of that now. Dang, but cool. Thank you, Boxycharm. Definitely some things that I need right off the bat, and I'm really excited to try the eyeshadow. The shift in the shadow was so beautiful. I need to use it. I needs to. I'm not gonna do it today. I thought I was gonna have like a full face. I could just, but I didn't. But that's okay. No big deal. It's whatevs. We got a lot of skincare, like 3 things. If you want to put the primer in there, you can too, but not really because that's like cosmetic. That's cool. I'm rambling now. This is all I got for my Boxycharm box for June. Let me know if you got anything different in your Boxycharm box. If you got the premium, the ultimate, the deluxe, the super. I don't keep track of the levels anymore. I know there's 3, and this is the base box. I enjoy my base box. We've got this thing going on. It's good. I'm gonna enjoy this. You enjoy your day as well. I will catch you next time. Remember, Thursday and Sunday. Bye.